Go, Ben! Go! Run over, Ben!
And the ball is carried around the left-hand side. Ball is snapped, handed off to number 39. Around the left-hand side, he's met very quickly by about 7 Bulldogs. He did next door to the snack bar. Please go inside and see all the ladies in there now. All the sizes are in. This is the stuff that went fast last year, folks. So please visit our gift shop. And another major defensive play by Adam Brophy. Number 8 for the North Tonawanda team.
Come on, Auntie, you got a block! Go, Ben!
And a pass to the outside. It's led by the Bulldogs. Taken out of bounds. Finally taken out of bounds.
Good job.
The league has just released the names of the academic All-Americans for the Clarence team, and we're very proud of each and every one of them.
Go, Nick! Go, Nick!
They try it over on the left side, but are met by Cole the Destroyer Perlman. Perlman wrestles the opposing team out of bounds. There is a good pickup on the play. We'll just see where the spot is here. And Clarence, he's been a regular visitor to the end zone. Ball's handed to number 14, Jens, up the right-hand side. Nice pickup on the play. Under center handoff. They read it all the way. And quarterback Nick Chandra brings the North Tonawanda Blizzard up to the line. We've been told Nick has had a wonderful season with the Blizzard this year. Also another academic All-American doing very well in school. Handoff, carry up the second on this all season long. The Clarence Bulldogs a little off. Oh. Handoff to number 5. Jacob Romano, who holds onto the ball. Slight gain on the play.
You got a flag! Go,
84 around the left-hand side. Meets head-on with number 20. Coaches calling in some last-minute adjustments to the defense. Some additional adjustments. Number 24 for the Clarence Bulldogs. It's the Honey Badger. It's the Honey Badger. Brady Calhoun takes the quarterback down behind. I think it was just an offsides, not a capital crime. And the handoff is Handoff at first was fumbled, but oh, we can't tell. Did Clarence hold on to the ball? Number 55, Ryan the Rock, under center. Pitch outside to number 12. Flag has been thrown in the backfield. Ball is loose. Picked up by the Clarence. There's still 20 seconds left in the first quarter, ladies and gentlemen.
No, that was
And kind of want to.
hold it!
And the runners. Ball was hit. Chandra keeps the ball around the right-hand side. Finally, Carolina, where the trees grow taller than the sky. Heads up defense by the Bulldogs. Stop number 8. And Brophy. And they try to keep the ball on the ground. The scrum moves forward. I don't know where they're going to spot it, folks. It's hard to tell from up here. I know you expect a lot of me, but I can only do so much. The booth. The number to call is 908-9922. Just speak to the guy at the switchboard. He'll take some basic information and we'll get you on the air. And touch. So again at halftime, we'll talk all things football on Talk. All right, the Maroon wall of Clarence will try to stop them once again. Heads up play. Bulldogs hold them on the extra point attempt. Not your ticket yet, they're $1. They're available at the snack bar, and the winner will be announced today in the second half.
Get in there.
Ball comes loose. Looks like it's recovered by Tonawanda. Fan?
No.
Okay. Number 5, like a ghost, comes out of the cloud, runs it in, adds insult to injury, and another touchdown for the visitor. Carolina, where the trees grow. All right, so the extra point.
So in that sequence, basically what happened.
And the Rockets under center. Looks like.
Really, guys, really?
And number 92, Robbie Onspach, carries that ball forward for a good 20 yards. They're finally opening up for Robbie. Pitch outside in 92. You know who he is, Robbie the Assassinator Onspach. Ball comes loose twice. Looks like it's been saved by a alert Clarence Bulldog, number 44, I believe. And off to number 92. All right, so the Bulldogs have talked it over, have consulted with the coaching staff, and ball's handed off to number 12. Brings it around the left-hand side. He comes within 2 yards, definitely a first down. And that's a great job by Tyler the Rock Ryan around the right-hand side. And the ball is in, carried in by number 92, Robbie the Assassinator Onspach. I'd keep that ball if I were you, Robbie. Touchdown, Clarence. Robbie Onspach carries it in. Number 55 keeps the ball. Did he cross the plane? They put another point on the board. Even the chain gang dropped the equipment. All right, let's hear it for our Clarence guys. Okay, the Blizzard confidently comes to the line with their offense. Still led by number 8. Number 78 breaks through. A flag on the play. And they finally drag him down after a short game, but I think it. And the ball is intercepted by the Honey Badger, Colhane. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Number 14 comes in like a pinch. Aaron, the shotgun gents, is not fooled and holds on. And this time the ball is intercepted and held on to by number, who is he, folks? I can't see from this side. Something 4. Is it Adam Brophy? Who had the ball? I think it's Aaron Gents. Is it number 14? Aaron Gents comes up with the big interception. And
no warning, just instantly. And I second back
ball.
He plays wrestling.
Well, short gain on the play. Number 49 carries the ball forward. He's the big man. He's running to the end zone. And touchdown, North Tonawanda Blizzards. And the point after attempt is good by the Blizzard. And a reverse around the right-hand side. The Bulldogs hand it off to Gents, who runs it down the right-hand sideline. Finally taken out of bounds at the 20-yard line. A phenomenal offensive play by the Clarence Bulldogs. A well-executed reverse. And, of course, Aaron does a great job running it down the sideline. And a bad snap, but it is.
Yeah, that's it, way, Mikey!
And the Clarence tries the reverse. Handoff to number 5 for the North Tonawanda Blizzard. Picked up about 4 on the play. That's Jacob Romano. He's been running hard for the Blizzard all fall long. Hello, Jacob. Number 8, the quarterback keeps the ball. He's taken out of bounds finally.
What?
Let's go, team!
And number 84 carries the ball around the left. Ball handed off to number 5. Carries up the middle, scampers, jostles, and it's carried into the end zone. And the point after attempt is good. Eli O'Grady comes into the game for the Bulldogs. He's the speedster on the outside. And the quarterback is sacked. 5-yard quarter may be winding down on the scoreboard. The official time is being kept on the field, folks. The horn blew. McGrath carries it down the right-hand sideline. Nice pickup on the play. It looks like first down yardage for Mr. McGrath. All right, after some last-minute substitutions. Ball is handed off to Anspach. Tries to take it around the left-hand side. He's turning on the steam. He gains a couple of yards on the play, but he had to run all.
Up to the line. Up to the line.
Ball's handed off to number 12. McGrath runs it down the right-hand side, and they just cannot stop him. He takes it into the end zone for a touchdown. Tyler the Rocket McGrath scores at Sunset Park. Just a reminder, folks, pre-order for those Chain Gang calendars still available at the snack bar. And the point after attempt is
Zach, you okay to go?
and the Bulldogs were in. And Tonawanda likes to keep the. And Colhane grabs the back, takes him down in backfield with a little help from his friend. And again, number 18, Rory the Raptor McGovern. He did a Lawrence Taylor, just broke through the offensive line and took. Ball is handed to number 15, who wisely. And the pitch to number 14. He's coming around the right side. Aaron Gents. He's down to the 5, down to the 10. Touchdown! Clarence center. Aaron the shotgun into the end zone for the second time today.
No.
Number 24 holds onto the ball, carries around the left-hand side, and the extra point is picked up by number 24. The Honey Badger runs it around the left-hand side to put another point on the board. Folks, we've got a 7-point ball game and 6 minutes left to play. Ball is kept on the ground. The runner is tackled by number 55, Ryan, assisted. Handoff to number 39 for the North Tonawanda. And the Bulldogs chase him around the left-hand side. He's finally taken down after a pickup of about 15. Number 5 carries the ball forward. That's Jacob. Bulldogs know what they have to do now. 4 minutes, 30 seconds left to play. 2nd down and 6 for the Tonawanda Blizzard. Ball is kept by number 8. He carries it ahead forward. Here we go. Number 8 holds onto the ball, tries to move it forward, but is stopped.
Let's go offense, 2 yards.
And the Tonawanda Blitz. We're at 3rd down now and 5. And the Bulldog defense needs to hold. They can do this. Come on, guys. We can do this. Get it. And number 8 is taken out of bounds. All right, we got that out of the way. And there's a flag on the play. And it's against the offense.
Obey your father. Stop.
And off is to number 39, who runs it around the left side. He's stopped by the Bulldogs. It's going to depend on the spot, folks. And the ball is handed to the big man, number 39, who tries to ride it forward. Short pickup. Handoff was to number 5, who runs it forward. Doesn't make the... And it looks like a second effort around the left-hand side by that big guy, number 39, Ben Graw for the North Tonawanda Blizzard. And the Bulldogs stop the point after attempt.
Yeah, I got the next one.
Two more.
Yeah, this is.
Oh, well, then one of these may have been early.
No, well, I don't know. We're playing TFC.